In this video, I have a 2011 Ford Focus, and I'm going to be showing you how to add R134A stop leak. This is for an air conditioning system. This vehicle sat for a little bit, and the air is hot when the AC's on. So I've checked the normal things like the blend door actuators, and I made sure that the air conditioner turns on whenever it's engaged. So in this situation, I just think that the system leaked out over time. So what we're going to do is go ahead and put this stop leak in, and then I'm going to go ahead and recharge the system with some fresh Freon. In order to add this can to the system, you need to have a tool like this. This is the most basic kind you can get. It has a trigger and it connects to the self-sealing cans. What you're going to do is just twist this on. So I'll do that now. Okay, so I put it on completely, and now I have this end over here. If I pull the trigger, it's going to release the solution. See, so I don't want to waste it. So now I'm going to connect it to the system. In this vehicle, I know that the inlet port is right here. So I'll be connecting to it right now. Connecting is very easy. You just pull this up to suppress it, push it onto the system, and then release. And now it is on the line. Next, I can see that the system's reading low. It was expected that it would be low because this kind of sat for a bit, and I suspected that there was a slow leak, so that's why this stop leak is going to help. So I'm going to go ahead and start charging it up. It's only 3 ounces and the whole system's 22 ounces, so I'm going to put this on first. So what I'm going to do is pull the trigger, and as it's releasing the stop leak, I'll shake the can and hold it upside down, and then I'll check every few seconds. So I'm releasing now. Notice that it reads at 0 while I'm releasing the solution. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit more. You can kind of feel it sloshing around in there, and it's starting to get cooler as I hold it. Can should be nearly empty at this point. Very easy to add this to the system. So I'm shaking the can now, and I can feel that it's pretty empty. I'm going to do one more trigger pull. Yeah, at this point it's empty and it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and release this. And I'll take this trigger off of the can. I can feel that this is absolutely empty now. It feels like an empty spray paint can. So now I'm going to go ahead and let the system run for a little bit longer, and then I'll go ahead and put my Freon in. Hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your air conditioning project.